Now we're going to practice lightly row, measure by measure. We're going to pay attention to make sure your elbow is opening and closing, open and close. Not the shoulder. This is when the shoulder is moving. This is not good. This is good. So do this a few times in the air. Open and close. And the wrist, if you're doing the good job, it should be a little bit closing when you're coming up and straighten when you're going down like this. Because if you're not moving your wrist, the bow is gonna go with circles like this in a nice arc, but that's not good for the playing, right? You should go straight down and straight up. But in order to do that, your wrist has to come up when you coming closer to you, when you're going up bow, and straighten when you go down. So do this with me a few times. Open and close, open and close. You can practice this in the mirror, Luna. Good. So let's start the lightly row. Speaking of lightly row, with our fingers we want to tap the strings really lightly, like a little feather. Okay? So not hard tapping like this. No, it's really like tapping really lightly. So let's see the first measure. 4, 2, 4, 2, 2. Okay, I'm just gonna bring up the song. Lightly row. 4, 2, 2. So we want to put down 1, 2, 3, 4 together. And when 2 comes, we have to pick up the 3 and 4 together. Kind of fast, like this. So practice that just without the bow with me. 4, 2, 2, tap. 4, 2, 2, tap. 4, 2, 2, tap. Let's start now with the bow. 4, 2, 2, 1, set, ready, go. Repeat that 10 times. And now let's play the second measure. 3, 1, 1, open, close, open in the right hand. And let's practice the left hand a few times, just tapping really lightly on the A string, right? So we put down 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to pick up 3 and 2. Ready, go, pick. Ready, go, pick. And now let's sing with it. 3, 1, 1, like that. Ready, go. 3, 1, 1. Ready, go. 3, 1, 1. Okay, now let's put together the left and the right hand. 1, set, ready, go. Repeat that 10 times. Next measure, the third measure, is the easiest because it's like Athabasca Monkey, the monkey song. It goes up from 0 to 4. Actually, let's play the third and the fourth measure together. Make sure you open and close your elbow so you can make a really beautiful sound. Open, close, open, close, open, close, open. Okay? And in left hand, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4. Let's just tap that on the, make sure you're doing on the lines and really light fingers. Ready, go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4. Again, ready, go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4. Okay, now let's put together the two hands. You start down bow. 1, set, ready, go. Repeat that 10 times. And now we're going to the second line that starts up bow. So we're going to close our elbow first and then open it. Close and then open it. 4, 2, 2, 2. That's the first measure on the second row. So we're gonna put down 2 and 4, and we're gonna pick it up 4, right? Let's practice that. 1, set, ready, go. 4, 2, 2, 2. Let's do it again. Put down 4 and 3. You don't have to press down 3. It just has to rest there between 2 and 3 because it's easier to rest it there than lifting up like that. Ready, go. 4, 2, 2, 2. Let's do the 2 hands a little bit slower. So you're going to close your elbow first. So you want to start almost at the tip of the bow and make sure it's really nice and straight. It feels like you are a bit more away that way with your bow. So the bow is straight. So you can check in the mirror like that. So if you bow like this is not good. If it's like that, check in the mirror quickly. 1, set, ready, go. Practice that 10 times. After we can go to the next measure. That's 3, 1, 1, 1. It's almost the same like the second measure. We're just going to play one more note with the right hand. It's going to be up bow as well. Up, down, up, down. Make sure you open and close your elbow and you let your wrist coming up and be like a little bit like that. 3, 1, 1, 1. 1, set, ready, go. Really good. Next measure. 0, 2, 4, 4. Let's practice that just with the left hand tapping. 0, 2, 4, 4. Ready, go. 0, 2, 4, 4. Ready, go. 0, 2, 4, 4. And now let's put together with the right hand. And it's gonna be up bow as well. 1, set, ready, go. Next measure is just 2, 2, 2, up, down, up. Ready, go. And the next line, the third line, it's really easy. You just have to remember on the 2 main beats going to be the first finger on every main beat like this. 1, 1, 1, 1, and on the third beat, 1, 2, it's gonna go up. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're just going to sing it and tap 2, 3 when we have to go on 2, 3. Ready, go. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. Again, ready, go. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. Let's do with the bow. It's going to be down bow again. So we're going to open our elbow first. Ready, go. Practice that 10 times. And now the next 2 measures, we're going to do it again together because it's really similar than the last 2 measures in the third line, the first 2 measures in the third line. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4. So on the third beat, the 2, 2 is going to change to 2, 3. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, going up to the 4. And we're going to do that up bow. But first let's tap it. Tap on the really lightly on the string. Ready, go. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4. Again, ready, go. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4. And now let's put together the 2 hands. Ready, go. Practice that 10 times. And the last row, 4, 2, 2, 2 starts with that. is exactly the same like the second row first measure. So we already played it, so we're not going to practice that again because we already practiced. Next measure is the same like in the second row, second measure, 3 1 1 1, and the next measure is the same. So the fourth line is exactly the same that the second line. So we're not going to practice that because we already did. But now let's play the whole song from the beginning to the end, really slowly. 1 2 3 4. 1 set ready go.